Yo, what is up, everybody? So right now I'm in a rush. Sorry if I'm talking fast. It is 3:14 and I need to get my haircut. As you can tell, it's like all crazy and it's not like long, but it's just I have too much like volume and it's like really puffy and stuff. But I will talk to you guys after I get my haircut.
Today is gonna be a good day. Don't care what anybody else say.
My bed is pretty messy right now, as you can tell. So let me just, clean it up a bit. That is much better. This is what it looks like right now. And now you're gonna see how it looks like after I get it cut. Wait, hold on. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Not too bad. I like it. Something different. Back for my haircut. I was in a rush because it was 3:14 and she closed at 4. And I had to get there. I got there around like 3:30, but I couldn't get my haircut until 3:40 and she had to rush. Sorry, and she was telling me that her doctor's appointment was at 4:15, so like she was like rushing in trying to get everything done, but she still like made sure everything was like good and like detailed and stuff. I wonder if it'll make a difference if I turn on this light. Yeah. Alright, so today's plan, well, pretty much I have to run a couple errands real quick. First I gotta drop my dad off, which is in like 15 minutes. Ouch. What was that? And then after probably, I don't really know what to do today. Probably go to one of my friend's house, pick him up, go downtown, take some pictures, and then probably go to Target, just for the hell of it. TJ Maxx, Ross, I don't know, just do something. I forgot to say good morning, so good morning to you guys. Hope you guys are having a good day. Let's see what my friend is doing. Let me call him up real quick. Hey yo, what are you doing? Hey, I'm vlogging right now, say what's up.
You do what?
I'm vlogging right now, say what's up.
Yo, what's up?
You're
Where are you?
I just showered everything after my haircut, and then I gotta drop my dad off. You down to kick it?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll pick you up after I drop him off. Alright, cool.
Solid.
So that's the plan. I'm gonna hang out with him. You'll see, I'll introduce you to him later when I go pick him up. So in the meantime, I'm gonna go eat because I'm starving. I haven't eaten since 12 and it's almost 5. So after I eat, I'll see you then. What's up?
What's up?
Wagwan.
Wagwan. Man said we were in Jamaica, you know?
What's up? Introduce yourself.
The golden child. Nah, it's Eric. What's up?
Well, this is my boy Eric. One of my best friends. Been friends forever, for the longest. But now, after dropping my dad off, I gotta rush to the pharmacy to get his medicine. But they close in like 15 minutes, so I gotta rush. Alright, so yeah, that's what I'm focused on. Alright, so right now we're at the UWT campus. Well, we're on the Glass Museum now. Should I use the flashlight? That's better. Alright. So we were at UWT campus, but we're on the Glass Bridge right now. As you can tell, it's pretty dope. Got my dad's medicine like 10 minutes, maybe 5 minutes before they close. I'm sorry if you can't hear me. It's really windy.
Now, I got a little bit of money filling my pockets. Roll around like I run and shit. I got a system filled up with toxins. I've been broken hearted, now it's that bitch getting to deal with my problems.
Oh snap, dude, the floor's loose.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
I've been sitting on the charts like a beach share. My last time.
So go ahead, tell him what just happened.
Water.
So he stepped in here because he thought there was no water. But read that. Electrically armed and monitored. So he would have been gone if he was wearing sandals.
Gerald, what the fuck is wrong, man?
Yo, on the real though, this spot is so dope. Like, it's so underrated.
It's just me, myself, and I.
I don't know if you can see, or if you can see me, or if you can hear me. Sorry. It's like 29 degrees right now. Taking this random stairway. I have no idea where it leads to. Oh, it's a parking garage. And over down by the glass museum, there's like a where you can park your boats and stuff. So there's people's yachts here. I don't know if you can see. Right there. Wonder where this leads to. Let's go for 2. My hair's a mess. So far, today's been pretty productive. Just going random adventures. There you are. Are you calling me? I was looking for you. We're downstairs. We're downstairs, dude. It's a fucking cold. We should go on a random adventure indoors. It is cold. This was never here. I forgot I paid the parking meter for only. Whoa, almost up. Forgot that I paid the parking meter for only until 6:34. It's 6:50. I hope I don't get a ticket. I made it to my car. Yes, no parking ticket.
I'm not okay.
My hand is all bad. So forgot that I paid for parking. I just lost track of time and I was like 15 minutes late. I got to rush to the car as fast as I can. But thank goodness I did not get a ticket. So what's the next move? Target?
We can go to Target, just somewhere warm.
Yeah. Let me turn up the heat. Alright, so Target's the next move. I'm at Eric's work right now. I just dropped him off at work real quick because he had to write a note. I don't know what for, but the wind here is so strong right now that even the cars parked, the whole car was moving side to side before I turned on the camera. Like, can you hear that? That's the wind. Quentin's get a tattoo. What?
Hey, I just wanted to tell you that I didn't bring the camera in the other stores I went to because I knew that the workers would say something to me. But if you like the video, please give me a big thumbs up, comment, like, share the video, and please subscribe to my channel. And please follow me on my Instagram. I'll put it somewhere right here. But anyways, you're awesome. Have a good day. Peace.
Hey, boy. Come here. Hey, hey. I have some snacks for you. Hold on, hold on. Hey, sit. Sit down. Chicken. Other one. Come here. Up.
Yeah, I know something only I know. I got superpowers, but that's something only I know. What I want is mine. If I say it in my mind, I'll teach you if I